welcome back to my channel. So it's another day, it's another vlog. Today I'll be showing to you how do I reverse using my manual transmission. So let's go. So this is our driveway. We have a lot of things going on before you can exit the gateway. So first, of course, we have to change our gear to R or reverse. Since we are using a manual transmission, so we will step on our clutch first. So step all the way through and then change your gear to reverse. You hear it? And then don't forget your handbrake. So we are now slowly moving. So release your clutch slowly while looking at your side mirror. That's the most important. Left and right. And then change your steering wheel. So always make sure that if you look at your side mirror, you have a clear spot. So here it's clear, and also to the other side it's clear. So now let's keep moving. Just maintain your steering wheel straight. I'm sorry for the trees. We have little trees inside our house. And now, while you are slowly driving backward, always check your sides. Since we have a motorcycle right here, check if you will not hit your motorcycle. If not, check again to the other side. Since we have a wall in here. And then if it's clear, keep on moving. But make sure, see, we're safe. The other side. So maintain this angle. Maintain your steering wheel while moving backward. Yay! it, you guys. So always remember to find the right angle and a clear spot before reversing your car. But always remember, safety is the number one priority. Okay, drive safely. Goodbye.